Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to chat with Netflix customer service. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to chat with Netflix customer service, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, just simply choose your profile, and after that go to the section of My Netflix at the bottom right corner, and from there you just simply have to tap into this three bars into the top right corner, and after going into the three bars just simply tap into this help section into here. Now after going into the help section, you will directly see the option of chat into here. Now in order to chat with Netflix customer service, just simply tap into that chat section and then click to this chat now option. Then after that, it will lead you to a site where you can chat with Netflix customer service by tapping into this tell us what your issue is option. Just simply type your issue and click to this send button. Then after that, Netflix will reply you with the possible solutions for your issue. This way you can easily chat with Netflix customer service anytime. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.